POV, you walk up to the fridge to see what to make for dinner. You have leftovers from last night, but you don't feel like waiting forever to reheat it in the oven or in the microwave for it to turn out dry and not tasting as fresh as when you had it last night. Let me tell you about the Pacuzzi. It is a total game changer. And those Thanksgiving leftovers that you're about to have in your fridge, this will keep your turkey nice and juicy when reheating. And you can ditch your microwave and oven because this reusable food grade silicone gadget is designed to evenly steam your leftovers in less time than it takes to preheat your oven. The Pacuzzi is made of 100% platinum food grade silicone, free of PFOs, PBA, PTFE, and is 100% plastic free. You can use any pan and transform it into a steamer, making food fresh again in minutes. And it's so easy to use. You press Pacuzzi into your pan, pour about 1.5 ounces of water in, and bring it to a boil. Once it's at a boil, lower the heat, add your leftovers to the pan, cover with the lid, and let Pacuzzi bring your leftovers back to life or make refrigerated and frozen meals fresh again. Plus, it's super easy to clean. No more waiting for food to reheat or dealing with uneven cooking in your microwave. Whether you're a busy mom on the run or just want to enjoy those holiday leftovers the same way you enjoyed them the first time, you should totally try Pacuzzi. Trust me, it will become your new kitchen must-have.